What's up, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some drama that went down at Karan Aujla's recent concert in Mumbai. The show was part of the Rolling Loud India Festival and was absolutely packed. But things took a wild turn in the crowd when a fight broke out. A video from the concert has gone viral, and it shows Nigerian influencer Agu Stanley Chidizi, also known as Funny Oga, getting into a serious physical altercation with another man. The clip shows Agu losing his cool, grabbing the man by his collar, and things getting really heated. People around them quickly jumped in to separate them, but it was a pretty intense moment that definitely disrupted the vibe. Right now, the reason behind the fight is a total mystery. No one knows what started it, and Agu Stanley Chidizi hasn't released any statement about the incident. This has left fans all over social media speculating. Comments are flooding in, with people asking things like, "What's the issue here? And what were they even fighting for?" Everyone is curious to know the full story. But the fight wasn't the only unexpected thing to happen that night. While Karan Aujla was on stage, someone from the audience actually threw a t-shirt right at him. Aujla, being the pro he is, quickly dodged it as it landed near his feet. Now, you might think he'd be annoyed, but his reaction was pure class. He calmly picked up the t-shirt, used it to wipe the sweat off his face, and then casually tossed it back into the crowd. The audience went wild for it. It was a smooth move that showed just how composed he is, even when things get a little chaotic. Fans have been praising his cool reaction online, turning a potentially disrespectful moment into a memorable one. Despite the drama, Karan Aujla's performance was apparently incredible. He was the headliner for the event and closed out the show at Loud Park in Kargar, Navi, Mumbai. He performed some of his biggest hits, like Chitta Kurta Softly and Tauba Tauba, and the crowd was singing along to every word. The energy was electric, and for most of the attendees, it was an unforgettable night of music. The festival also featured a star-studded lineup with international artists like Nab Sheikh, Wes, Rich, The Kid, and West Side Gun, making it a huge event for music fans in India. So, while the fight and the t-shirt incident grabbed a lot of headlines, the main focus for many was still the amazing performances. So, what are your thoughts on all this? What do you think could have started the fight between Agu Stanley and the other concert goer? And how about Karan Aujla's reaction to the t-shirt? Was it the coolest way to handle that situation? Or what? Drop your opinions in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. That's all the tea for today. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more news and stories from the world of entertainment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.